Hello, welcome back. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Grandma GAINZ. This is Bohippianlife. I am a reselling grandma, multiple platforms. I'll leave all those links in the description box below. And I will also, don't forget to check out my 3 membership levels: Coffee Club, Wildflower, and Bohippian Life. Today's video, you guys, is about these Stop Soldier Suicide challenges. Have you seen them going around on social media? I completed, this is my shirt from my January challenge that we did together, the 90 minutes of planks. So I have that shirt, and the February challenge starts February 16th. And if you are interested, it's never too late to join up and get your sponsors going. 30 hours of gaming, and you get from February 16th until February 24th. So that's what? 8 days? 8 days to get 30 hours of gaming in, virtual gaming, however you want to do it. And you log it through your Messenger app. Super easy. If you are interested in joining any of the Stop Soldier Suicide Challenge, you can stopsoldiersuicide.org, and that will get you anywhere and everywhere you need to go. You can also follow them on Facebook, Instagram, right here, you guys. I will leave all of this information in the description box below. If you are a soldier and you are interested in any of this, click these links below. Click these links. Check these out. So, did you know more than 114,000 veterans have died by suicide since 2001? I didn't know that either. Suicide is the second leading cause of death for post-September 11 veterans. More than 70% of veteran suicides occur outside of VA care. To learn more at stopsoldiersuicide.org/vet-stats. I will leave all of this information in the description box below. But I wanted to jump in and get this video out for anybody who is interested in doing the February challenge. 30 hours of gaming for the Stop Soldier Suicide Challenge. You guys, if you like this type of content, please give my video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We would love to have you in the family. Leave me a comment. Let me know. Are you going to do the 30-hour gaming challenge? They also have one coming up. They have one in March. You guys, these guys are getting creative on our challenges. Generally, it's been run 100 miles in the month. Now they've gone from run walk to planks, gaming. I really wouldn't doubt if the next one's stinking sit-ups. And I can't believe I just did that. Hopefully not. Anyways, you guys, don't forget, Stop Soldier Suicide Challenge for February, 30 hours of gaming from February 16th until February 24th. I hope you guys jump in and join in on the fun. Have the best day ever. I'll see you in the next video.